This New Zealand shelf demand zone look like a valid zone, but I am not trading it. Let me show you why. On the daily time frame, we can see that this trend line has been broken and also structure has been broken to the upside, and that gave us a demand zone at 0.45393 and 0.45165. Now price is creating a new upward trend line, and that trend line was removed. But the problem here is that there is no valid supply zone that price could react from. Yes, we have a base candle, and yes, we have an explosive move to the downside, but there is no clear imbalance that already reduced the confidence. Now price is respecting a downward trend line, but this trend line will be violated if this candle closes above it. If this candle close above our trend line, this trend line will be broken, and that leaves us with a demand zone at 0.45736 and 0.45518. But I am not putting more trust in this zone. Why? Because it's sitting inside a support liquidity trap. That means price can easily break it. Zone that is sitting inside a liquidity pool is a weak zone. Instead, I prefer to focus on this demand zone that is below this liquidity. That is where reorders will be sitting, and from there I will wait for confirmation on this demand zone. That means when price returns to the zone, it can easily break. Zones that are sitting inside a liquidity pool is a weak zone. So let's get down to the lower time frame and see what the price is telling us on the lower time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that price is respecting an upward trend line. We can also see that we broke this downward trend line with a demand zone at 0.45864 and 0.45787. Now look, this demand zone may look good at first glance, but here is the problem. This demand zone is sitting on top of a daily demand zone, and that daily demand zone is inside a liquidity pool. So what does that mean? It means that price will come back to the zone, react a little bit, then break it. That makes this demand zone a weaker zone. Now look above. We have a supply zone at 0.46398 and 0.46508. This zone is interesting because 1, it removed a upward trend line, and 2, it broke structure to the downside. That shows strength. But there is another problem. This supply zone is sitting on top of an older zone that price has already reacted from before. That alone reduces the strength of the zone. So now we have a weak demand zone and a questionable supply zone. This is not a clean, high confidence setup. So I am not rushing this. I will wait for clear confirmation on the lower time frame, strong reaction from the zone, structure change before taking any trade, because zones like this, risk management is everything. I break this kind of analysis step by step in my PDF. If you want to stop guessing your entries, comment PDF in the comment section.